Hello subscribers, I'm Mirjan Hipólito, your Forex and crypto expert from Traders Union. In this video, I'll share a secret to improve your trading success. If you're looking for high-quality, free trading signals and market analysis, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll review the top 3 Telegram channels for both beginners and experienced traders. We selected them based on analysis quality, signal relevance, and real user reviews. Let's get started. The first channel on our list is fxpremier.com. This channel specializes in Forex and crypto signals, providing trade recommendations based on technical analysis and market news. One of its standout features is the structured presentation of information, clear signals with entry and exit points, along with stop loss and take profit levels. With daily updates, the channel helps you stay on top of market conditions. For beginners, it is an excellent way to learn chart analysis and understand trading logic. If you want to dive deeper into the world of trading, I highly recommend subscribing. Next up is Ultreos Forex. This channel focuses on analysis and education, making it perfect for traders looking to enhance their skills and strategic thinking. It features detailed forecasts and reviews of major currency pairs and cryptocurrencies. Ultreos Forex provides insights using various trading strategies, allowing traders to choose what suits them best. The highlight is its in-depth market trend analysis and educational posts that help you understand market patterns. If you are committed to continuous learning and growth in trading, this channel is a goldmine. Finally, I recommend Kharitonov FX Trading. This channel is managed by leading Traders Union analyst Anton Kharitonov, my colleague. In his channel, he shares fresh trading ideas for Forex and crypto markets. You'll find honest, up-to-date trading signals to help you make informed decisions. The channel is updated daily, ensuring you get the latest analysis and forecasts. Its distinguishing feature is the simple, concise content, especially useful for those who value their time and want quick access to information. That's it for today, friends. Subscribe to these Telegram channels to stay updated on market trends and receive high-quality trading signals. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new videos. This is Mirjan Hipólito. See you in the next video. Happy trading!